How to play YouTube music in background in Android device. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can play YouTube music in background in Android device. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up settings in your device. Here tap on apps. Tap on see all apps, then tap on the search icon at the top right. Now search for YouTube. So once you get into app info page, here scroll down a bit and there under an advanced option, tap on picture and make sure this toggle is turned on. So once you have done that, you can close settings in your device. Now head over to the Chrome. So open up Chrome in your mobile device. Here in the search bar, type in youtube.com, then tap on the search. Now you land on YouTube. Here search for your preferred music that you want to listen to. Then tap on three dot icon at the top right. Now here tap on desktop site. Here once you have chosen the desktop site, you can play the music right here. And once the music is being played, you can close this Chrome. And once you're on your home screen, if you swipe down your notification panel, there you can see the music that you were playing recently. Tap on play icon and the music will play in your device. So this is the music from the YouTube. So in this way you can play YouTube music in background in Android device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.